Hello everyone, I am Vivek Kumar from final year student of BCA from CIMAGE College. I am here to present my final year project in front of you, which is an Android application which helps user to find electric vehicle charging station finder. Now, there are few agendas of my project. My project, which is whose name is Apurti, and this project helps user to find EV fuel stations, and also it used to users to provide the route of EV station. And also my project is accessible for EV owners and EV manufacturers. Now, here's the introduction of my project. First of all, we know that the electric vehicles are the future transformation of the vehicle. So that's why, because it provides us a convenient way, and it also provides us very advantages, such as it lower the fuel costs, it lower the carbon emissions. So, but there is a struggle that is faced by every EV owners. They have to struggle a lot while finding their charging stations and going there. That's why I created this app, which makes more convenient to the EV owners. So I just created this app, I just built this app in React Native Expo, which helps me a lot to creating this application, because I just use React Native and JavaScript inside my code, which helps me to write the code once and runs on both iOS and Android devices. That's why I created application in these technology. These are the technology that I use inside my project. I use React Native as a front end and JavaScript as a backend tool, and now I use CSS for providing a good attractive for my project. Then after I use Google Map Place API, which helps to fetch the places where the EV charging station are found. Then after I use Expo Clerk, which is the help to user authentication purpose, and then after I use XJS library, which helps to my code to communicate with the APIs. Then after, here is process logic of my application. Here I mention all the process which the process user have to perform. The first process is login with Google. User have to just go to the home page of my application, and then there is a sign up button where user have to just press on the sign up button. Then after, users have to access their GPS location, and then after, users can able to find nearby charging station, and then after, he have simply visit there and plug their EV vehicles in the charging stations. Now change the slide. So these are the mind map from where I got the idea and what are the specification and what are the functionality of my application. The specification of my application, inside my application I just provide users to the electric vehicle charging station as per users location. But inside my application I also implement the users can also find EV stations according their desired specified location. They can search EV stations on where they want to need to find where just users is in Patna, and he want to just know how much EV station and Kolkata and where are the EV stations in the Kolkata. Just he can able to search these stuff. Then after the functionality of my map, my application returns maximum number of EV charging stations nearby the users. And also I just got these ideas from live projects. At the time of COVID, I just providing an example where I got this idea. At the time of COVID, there is a process that is started by government that users have to just taking the Covaxin. So for the vaccination, users have to find locate the vaccination center. So there is an app which is provided by government. I just took the example from there. Then after, just change the slide. This is the features. This is the feature section. These are the features that I enabled inside my application. Inside my application, I just enabled a route feature, which helps user to find the route, what are the route and what are the pathways, how to go the EV stations. And also my application supports in both Android phone and iOS phone. Then after, inside my application, there is also a part where users can see how many charging connectors are available at the charging station. Then after, I have also section where users can add their favorite charging station as a favorite location. Now to just change the slide. Here's a Gantt chart where I provide total timeline, what the total timeline I just get during the development of this project. Just next, I took total 3 months while developing this project. These are the pages and some interfaces of my project. Page 1 is a home page, and then after page 1 is search page. Then after page 3 is favorite page. There users have to just select the favorite places, and these places are shown in the favorite section. Then after, there is a profile section where users can there is some features in the profile section. I also want to add some more features after this. Then after, change the slide. These are the future scope inside my application. There is not yet I over this project. There is also some future aspects of my project. I want to partnership with major EV owners and EV manufacturers because I also want to scale up my application. That's why I want to add some contract with EV owners and EV manufacturers. And also inside my application, I want insert update, there is a reservation option where users can able to reserve a spot before going there. And also I want to add a community driven review system where all the users can write the review on the basis of their experience, which is accessible by all the users that are using this application. Now also I want to here add a customized profile center where users can easily add their vehicle data inside the applications. Now next page. There are some ideas that the other EV tool which are available right nowadays, they have some idea, and what I am just focusing these ideas that they are not focusing. They are just providing limiting charge and charge coverage and accessibility. Means they are just providing the charging station on the user's nearby location. Then after I just implement this idea, they are not providing the customized location searches. So I just implement this. I just implement instead of getting nearby EV point user, or user can also find the EV charging station as per their specified location. Then after the traffic updates they are providing. Right nowadays the EV tools which are providing the traffic updates, they are just unreliable, or you can say that they are outdated. So I am just providing the real time traffic updates with help of my application. I just took the help of Google Map API for providing this type of traffic updates. While users have to going to the EV station, they have to just aware from the traffic update what type of traffic update near the road. So I just use it, and also I just provide the number of connectors inside my application from which users can know where at which charging station a number of available charging pointers. Then after as a Firebase, I didn't use too much data inside my application. So I just implement a file store inside my application which helps to store the user's email address and also user's favorite places, the location of the favorite places and the name of the favorite places. And I just use the simple database inside my application. Then after reference, I took just whole reference from documentation of each and every library or tool. You can say that I used React Native, so I just utilize full of the documentation of the React Native, and also I use Axios, Expo Clerk. These all documentation I just go and just read, and then after I just utilize this. And also our respected faculty members also helps me inside my project very well. Thank you.